Have you ever wished you could just push your body's factory reset buttons and get relief for a pain or illness? Did you know that 70% of Americans take some kind of prescription drug? And they come with crippling side effects like weight gain, fatigue, and headaches or worse. Plus, it's so expensive. The average American spends $1,375 a year on medications. But it doesn't have to be that way. Discovered a simple, non-invasive technique that can eliminate the root causes of 91% of diseases. And best of all, it only takes about 3 minutes a day to do. Prepare to be astounded when you discover just how this is done. Learn more or get your free book, The Secret to Overcoming Fatigue and Supercharging Your Energy Levels, by clicking the links in the description below.